After the devastating floods in Punjab, many families were left homeless and helpless. In this moment of crisis, Mamtami Shri Radhe Maji extended her divine grace by adopting Islampur village and initiating immediate reconstruction. Today, over 40 homes stand rebuilt, and work on many more continues at a fast pace. These homes are bringing back faith, safety, and renewed hope to the families who lost everything.